Hello and welcome again to today's Swahili lesson. In this lesson, you're going to learn the Swahili alphabets. And today, let us have a look at Swahili consonants. There are 29 letters in Swahili alphabets. 5 are vowels and 24 are consonants. And in Swahili, we have capital and lowercase of each alphabet. So let us start with consonants, which is referred as consonanti in Swahili. Swahili consonants comprise 24 sounds. Each sound is represented by either a single letter or double letters as exemplified below. So we are going to have consonants, example of Kiswahili words, English translation, and then English equivalent. Ba, calamity, as in back. Cha, chai, tea, as in chin. Da, dada, sister, as in dish. Dhahabu, gold, as in they. Fasihi, literature, as in fail. Gugu, weed, as in gift. Ghasia, commotion, as in go. Habari, news, as in hippo. Juzi, day before yesterday, as in Joe. Car, seat, as in kin. La, sleep, as in low. Mama, mother, as in man. Nane, 8, as in nurse. Ng'ombe, cow, as in king. Nyanya, tomatoes, as in new. Pipi, candies, as in pen. Rudia, repeat, as in rain. Sa, clock, as in see. Shanga, be surprised, as in sheep. Lamp, as in 10. Thelathini, 30, as in think. Va, dress up, as in veil. Wanafunzi, students, as in way. Ya, nanyi, as in yes. Za, give birth, as in zeal. So, however, the syllabic consonants ma and na can be combined with a range of other consonants to form one sound. Look at the following examples. Mba, mbao, timba. Mpa, kampuni, company. Mwalimu, teacher. Ndimu, lime. Nguo, cloth. Njama, conspiracy. Anwai, diverse. Anza, begin or start. So note that Swahili words are stressed at the last but one syllable, usually called the penultimate syllable. So this lesson was brought to you by your everyday teacher, Bibi Ruth, with a reference from Learn Swahili, the Treasure of Africa by Tataki 2018.